some part tulibomoa, yani, but God is faithful. So the manual ilikuwa inachukuliwa na plumber. Unaweza naweza fanya kazi. Yes, kila mtu anaweza kufanya kazi na mdomo. Wanakuja, so I had to ask my supplier anitumie manual yake tena mpya. Yani it is drama, but at the end of the day, for as long as I get what I have paid for and I get like kenye roho yangu inafurahia, that one is okay. But the stress you go through, oh my God. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Zach Daniel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. All of you feel at home, feel welcome. And I'm on Instagram, just type Zach Daniel. If in case you want to talk to me, you'll get me there. Okay, so wait, yani, okay, if you've been following me, especially my videos here, I built my parents a house. So I had traveled to the village to do some finishing. Okay, so now I just want to give you like some funny the dramas I have had on that house. Okay, let me just tell you. So the reason why I left to go to the village to like see how it is progressing is because I got a very hard time. I used to tell my mom, you people send me photos. Okay, they'll take photos. Yani ushaona mtu anakutumia ni kama uambie mtu akutumia mlango alafu anakutumia chapi. Sijika naongea Kiisland ama ni hivyo tu ndio venye ilikuwa. So that's why I decided to go to the village. So when I went, okay, the progress was not bad, but the thing that I didn't like is the house is it's me who chose the design and all that. But then you see, when you are a contractor, you have to ask someone like, this one you want to put here and there, like tunataka kuweka hii na hii hapa, uko comfortable nayo ama unataka tuweke aje? Like you don't put what is in your head. So most of the things what I was getting is what was in their head, but that was my problem. So I was wondering, is this why they did not want to send me photos? And they just keep on going. They tell me, send money for cement. Okay, I send cement. We use like almost or more than 150 bags of cement just to do the finishing. Okay, we still buy cement. So right now, the plumbers used to come. Okay, the plumber came. They used to come. Okay, you ask someone if they've been building, so they say they've been building. So the plumber came. They used to come, wanna check vitu, and they go. If you have checked my video on the items that I bought for the finishing, you can relate. Okay, so those were very nice items, and they really need someone who has like some skills to do it. So plumber comes and then anacheck. Wengine walienda, they even went with the manual. So when you are trying to install the taps and the sinks, like you're not able to get them. So this one comes, they say they can do the work, but they go with the manual, then disappear that way. So some were coming and then they see as if the items were expensive and then they overcharge you. So kulikuwa na the back and forth, but then at the end of the day we got someone who did it for us. But he told me, oh, he quoted this and this, so he thought that, let's say for example the taps, Jesus. Nakamwambia kwanza tissue walituwekea huko karibu na roof. Let me get to that point. Wait first. I describe for you. So when I was showing the plumber, this is what you're supposed to put, and this is how it's supposed to look as in the manual. So he said, okay, and then he quotes for us a price. We see like he's fair. And then when it comes to do the thing, he said, you will add for me some money because you see the double, this one is taking double pipes and plumbing, my friend. Plumbing is expensive. I will not lie. Like almost every day I use like 12,000, 15,000, 16,000. And by that time you had bought some items, but God is good. Okay. So we went, when we were, so now he told me like, because it's double pipes, you'll have to add me money. No, now I tell him, I gave you the items to check so that you can quote for me. So now you start telling me you need to add some money. I'll be attaching some photos here, okay? So the toilet was for putting on the wall, yani the one ya kufinya, and then after you are done with your business, you just press and then wash your hands and leave the toilet if you like to wash your hands. So sijaiona maajabu. So before I left, I stayed there actually for 2 weeks. Before I left, I told those people who are putting the tiles in the toilet, this is how the plumber had already installed the pipes and all that. So I had directed them according to the manual. Unajua hiyo kazi hiyo tena tuliivunja. Like tulitoanisha, we had to remove them because when I was leaving, the very same day I left when the finishing is being done. So being there, nikawaambia, this is how it's supposed to look. Imagine they did what was in their head. I was so mad, you know. I bought tiles for the first time, ikavunjwa. Tena for the second time, ikavunjwa. You see, people don't, I don't know, but it is expensive. You have to be on site. And you know, at times people perceive that you have money and you know you are also hustling. You understand? So it is not very fair and someone does whatever is in their head. Unaambia fanya hivi. At times they just put whatever you don't like. Okay, they'll when you ask for videos you don't get. So no wonder nilijipeleka huko. After I came back to Nairobi, so the plumbers had not yet finished, because there were some things that needed to be done hapo finishing. Kulikuja kakua na mvurutano, mkosano, in short. So ikabaki hivyo. So when the plumber came, alikuja kumalizia hapo kwa bafu. So I tell them, you know, this thing is supposed, the shower thing, okay, I'll attach the photos there so that you can understand, okay? The shower is supposed to be inside kwa ukuta. Nitaonyesha expectations versus reality, okay? So the shower is supposed to be in the wall, but then wanaitoa nje ati because when it gets spoiled, they will have to remove the tiles again. And now fanya hivi, ikae nje ndio asitoanishe tiles. Because like, what the hell, are you spending money so that I can get what I want? Why are you telling me it's supposed to be this way? Yet from what I know, it is supposed to be this other way. Yani kitu inafaa itokee vizuri. So they had to dismantle again the tiles. I bought the tiles again for the second time because I had bought extras. Yeah. So I bought for the second time again. Wakatengeneza. Yeah. So after kutengeneza hapo hivyo, I am still waiting. So they say I still add the money. Okay. So yani sijui, but now wameitengeneza vizuri, but the push and pull has been too much, and ongezea hii pesa, and now the contractor himself has gone to do he told me, I'll tell you the something that is needed for you to be able to get the, what is it called, for you to be able to, for me to be able to tell you the number of days that are needed to complete to where you want it to be. You know, right now it's only remaining the paintings and just the minor stuffs, you understand? So so telling me that way, he actually went to do another job. Na hajaniambia akona another contract. So I'm just here waiting. I asked my mom, you people, where have you reached so far? You are supposed to tell me so that I can so that I can see what I am sending on, or how am I preparing to just come and see like the last how you're going to do. Now she tells me, oh, the contractor said the contractor said he talked to you that he's going to come, I don't know which and which day, and we had not even talked that way. Yani unasikianga tu kubas, but wezi bas juu mimi sio balloon. Hiyo tu ndio advantage, but aki ingekuwa ni Grace tu ndio inatuwekanga, lakini vitu tunafitianga behind the scenes. But generally wameifanya wajeifanya bado venye inafaa kukua. So tissue wamechukua, wameiwekelea karibu na sink, na sijui sink itakalia wapi. I will just show you what I am saying. Yeah, but it is better from it is better than where it was last time. Yani wewe mkachukua tissue kanieka tissue huko karibu na roof. Yani mimi nikiingia chooni mimi kiingia chooni yani sijui nianze wapi. If I have a running stomach, where will I go? How will I remove that tissue? I thought tissue is supposed to be at the rib, at your rib, like when you are sitting at the toilet, on the toilet. I mean, when you're sitting on the toilet, it's supposed to be on your rib so that you can just take the tissue, like the convenience. It is not there. So that is what I have been struggling with of late, but I am doing great, and I will have to go again to see if I will go rectify some things and make sure that contractor amerudi animalizie kazi yangu, sio kuruka from this one to another one haniambi. And you know it is very tiring. Yeah, tumeanza kufanya finishing kuanzia sijui lini, but so far I think I should give you a house tour for the progress so far. Let me know in the comment section, but it has not been easy. It has taken God's grace, and he has provided and everything. Yani ninashukuru tu Mungu kwa hayo yote. Okay, asanteni sana, thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be updating you on more, and be happy in everything you do. Spread love and continue with life. Maisha, do not give up in whatever you are doing. Okay, one day things will come together at God's time. Okay, tusikwe na pupa, tutafika jamani. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time, same place, different time. If you forgot, my name is Zach Daniel. Okay, bye bye. Hey.